Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send test mail in Mailchimp. Keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us to send in test mail in Mailchimp. First, open up your Mailchimp application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged into it. Go ahead and choose a campaign or create a campaign and click open one of the campaigns. Once you find it, scroll all the way down and you'll be able to see an option that says Send Test Email. Give it a tap in the pop-up, type in the email address that you'd like to test to. For example, let me send in my own email address right here. Wants to do that, tap Send. Now simply go ahead and open up your email service provider that you just used. You'll be able to receive an email on your email service provider inbox. Open it up and as you can see that I've sent myself a test mail via Mailchimp. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.